dog we told me to kill, so the clip I tackle blow. I stab a nigga in the chest and think I fuck the hole. I am an asshole and I bet the shit I drop will show. I study the movement of water cause the rivers got the flow. And I made a pop, I'm gonna need a coffin when the trigger cocked in. Now but the nigga plotting, I'm a killer busting with the heater popping. Now I figure the killing has gotta be done in a way to show I'm a murderous creature walking, but I keep the caution when the beat is dropping. I'm a lyrical entity, most divine of the species. A rap god whose vessels should be recited by preachers. Plus to say I'm a dick with a size that be largest in inches. Yeah, I kill rappers and victimize them with violence and scriptures. Hit me for features, it's my revolution, deeply strategious. No pizza for niggas, it's better but I'm tripping with heaters. I clip with the triggers, but get with me, it's thriller. I'm quick at the speed up, a pleasure on the first quickly like cheaters. Pick a bone with a nigga that got skeletons in the closet. From couple of dead rappers that I shed upon in the project. Competition is considered dead opponents and corners. I'm hotter than fallen angels, a devil form, let us spawn in. Those on the script to prove that you suck like holes on the dick. My killers stay behind bars longer than pro lyrics. Hip-hop is the devil's contract, I put my soul in this bitch. Lyrics are dope, the dealers think they should be sold on the streets. No comparison to the relevant veteran. My rap and adrenaline shows that I'm fatter than candidates who claim to be better than the goats competitive amateurs who gather and landed and fall on the head and then splatter it. Talk is cheap, it's time to put your money where your mouth is. Get pocket deep, bit about me, speak of honeys as you count it. Every S that you rap about and how much the amount is. But you sure are very balmy and obviously rolling without it. I'm a maniac, that's why I be killing it with speed. But it's sending them with speech and a couple of syllables, spitting them with heat. And I be the chopper that's dominating, I'm on top of the pyramid with scheme. I'm kicking it faster than the speed of light, but a bit of in the speech. Let's go! So they wanna get up in the battle with the killer, I'll be ready for whatever. Got the finger, the trigger, the bust, got the pepper, got to show them in the better, but they hit them in the venom, and the killer, but the rhythm, and the pop, they think they're gonna be winning. I get them in the pop, the clip, in the soft for the killing, put them in the coffin, I figure they fall in a minute, so never the fuck with the killer, cause I'm in a minute. I would have been a killer with a syllable, but they get mad, but they hit them on the killer force. Send them in the gun, but they put them in the way they're gonna suffer when the nigga, but I spit them in the head boom. Never get up in the better with a hooligan, I had them on the fucker when I set up for the booty man, better be picking the millimeter, and a couple of niggas who gonna pick up with the cap on with the bullets in. Motherfuckers who be thinking they come out with a rhythm, I'm killing them whenever they be stepping up. I ain't gotta be proving my point to nobody, my level is epping up. I'm tough with a bullet, man, chopping up some of the schools and then walking out looking smooth as hell. I told these motherfuckers I'm a maniac.